So, dyan yung babaan ng EDSA Carousel. Friday payday, Friday the 13th. Ngayon, pwede ba itong i-take out? Salted caramel crab. Let's come and go explore One Ayala. Hey goers! It's me, Cam. We're here in One Ayala. Kakababa ko lang ng EDSA Carousel bus. Tapos dito yung mga sakayan. Meron dyan Kamasita, Calamba, merong FTI doon. And yan, so yan yung mga carousel bus na I think pipila din for PITX. By the way, today is already 6 p.m. March 13, so Friday the 13th. So, maswerte tayo. Hopefully, maging successful yung ating One Ayala exploration. It's actually my first time in One Ayala, so samahan niyo ako i-explore kung ano ba yung pwedeng gawin dito, pwedeng bilhin. Kaya, ang dami ng tao, no? Kasi rush hour na eh. So may mga tinda dito across ng mga bus terminals. Marami naman choices. Meron din mga accessories. And then dito, mas marami. So may Happy House donuts. Merong juice. Chicken steak. Chicken teriyaki. Santino's pizza. Ayan, yan yung mga bus. And Julie's Bake Shop. Yan, The Classics. Silog. So ito pala, the EDSA Carousel to PITX. Waffle time. Madami, no? So, dito may Jamaican patty, Siomai King. Marami pa mga bus dyan. Yeah, ito, Clyde's bread and pastries. Okay, so, umikot lang ako dito. So, dito may pick-up coffee. Meron ding French Baker, Serenity, Clyde's. Yan, ikutin naman natin pag ito. Okay. So, hot dogs, potato corner, Buko Loco. So, ito meron mga burgers, Hong Kong style noodles, Betty's Best, bibingka, yes. And then, Casa Empanada. Sabi natin yung entrance. Guys, ang cute to. So cute. Dito tayo sa level 2. I think we can start sa pinakataas. So, akyat muna tayo. Okay, goers. So, we made it dito sa 4th floor. I was very anxious while I was on the escalator. Kasi alam mo yung naiiwan yung kamay. As someone who is always out of balance, medyo nag-struggle ako. So yeah, we're already here sa 4th floor and let's explore kung ano bang meron dito. So again, it's Friday the 13th. So magpalipas oras muna tayo while maraming tao sa baba. So samahan niyo ako. Okay, so goers, check natin kung ano yung mga pwedeng bilhin dito, mga kainan. Kung ano yung pwede natin pasalubong. So dito we have Urban Smiles. Para siyang dental clinic. And I'm not sure how to pronounce this. But baka mga aesthetic shop din. Parang puro tech stores na doon. So let's see. Technest. Meron pa ba doon? Wala na ata masyado. May magkakaroon doon ng Mr. DIY. Wala pa siguro ngayon. So, thinking tools. Mga bilihan ng laptops. Bilihan ng phones. So dito yung mga gadgets. And Huawei, Realme, and ayun, may DJI din doon. Meron ding iPhone, Samsung customer service. So, is customer service the same as service center? Like, if may warranty, ganun. Same lang ba yun? I'm not sure. Meron ding Xiaomi. Ayan. Marami pang sarado na, so I think there are more stores to come. Jisoo Life. Wow. Marami pa dito. Sige, explore natin. Hello, goers. My bag is very heavy. Kasi galing akong office. Ganito yung reality, no, for the most of us sa working industry. Lagi tayong pagod, then pag-uwi tayo, haba pa ng pila sa bus, or sa jeep, or whatever your modes of transportations are. So yeah, struggle is real. Pero mag-vlog tayo. So we have Silicon Valley. I'm not sure. Parang activity, ano siguro to? Ayun, for team building. Meron parang events. You can book that for private events. So yeah, pang team building siguro. Oh, look, there's a gashapon. Ayan, sige, check din natin. Ikutin natin. Ding Insta360, Octagon. HP World. Oh, they have an indoor backyard. Ayala Mall, Swan Ayala is pet friendly. I think most Ayala malls are pet friendly. Oh my gosh, look at that. So cute. Photo line, and then Data Blitz. Oh my goodness. Hello! A1 driving, may branch din dito. So Data Blitz. Parang maluwag yung Data Blitz nila. Yeah, than the usual Data Blitz store. Yeah, then we have A1 driving here, fill bars for Funko Pops and other collectibles. See. Okay, here we have Gashapon. I would like to try. Siguro sa kanan. Ito na tayo sa labas. So they have different branches pala. They have also branches in BGC, in Bacolod, in Cebu, and CDO. So yan, meron pala dito. Siguro, if may time tayo, mamaya try natin. Okay, goers, I think we have explored 4th floor. Pababa tayo. 3rd floor. Let's go back to 3rd floor. So wala na ditong, parang isa lang yung escalator nila. I may be wrong, but let's find out. Okay, nahanap natin ulit yung escalator. Let's see if may mga kainan na dito. Okay guys, so if yung level 4 is more on tech, mga gadgets, and Um, Dito naman sa level 3, it's more on fashion and lifestyle. So, let's see if meron. Oh, may Chili's din dito. So, meron din mga kainan sa level 3. I think dito sa level 3, yung mga alfresco dining din nila. So, if you have pets, most likely sa alfresco pwede. But there are also some restaurants that allow pets dun sa loob mismo. So, better check first para hindi tayo makaabala. Ayan. Labas tayo, tapos pasok tayo. Okay, so dito nga yung mga alfresco dining. We have Tom Yum, Italianis. Bilusugan ba dun? Ito na pala yung Glorieta. Oh, may crazy garlic. So, parang ito na lang yung ngayon lang ulit ako nakita ng crazy garlic. Kasi before, they have crazy garlic in Alabang Town Center. Pero matagal na siyang wala. So, meron pala dito. So, that's good to know. So, yun na rin yung SM, guys. Parang the malls are now more integrated than before. So, lusot tayo dito. Okay, so we're now seeing more restaurants or food shops dito sa level 3. And I think mas marami pa sa lower levels. So, receive ko na yung pwedeng pasalubong. Dito may egg tart. Meron din HQ. Burger shop. Handyman. Ito pala. So, let's check the directory. So, for level 3, may alfresco dining, yung mga nadaanan natin kanina. Then, dito yung mga beauty and wellness, so barber shops, salon, and some aesthetic clinics. So, meron din food and entertainment, co-working. Ay, yung nadaanan natin kanina, yung click space. And mga boutiques for fashion, athleisure, and lifestyle. Then, baba na tayo. Nagutom na ako. I see. Dito tayo kanina, level 2. Kung nasaan yung mga bus. So, mas marami ng mga options for food. Meron pa rin alfresco dining and more shops. Ang daming tao today, goers. Kasi it's Friday the 13th. It's Friday payday. So, marami nagre-relax. Saan kaya tayo kakain? Ang lawak din pala dito. Chicken, nakikita ko rin to sa ibang bansa. I'm not sure how to pronounce its name. They have the Matcha Tokyo here as well. for those matcha lovers. Okay. Let's check out the al fresco dining options first. They have TGI Fridays. Goers, I'm sorry if my voice sounds shaky because literally my bag is very heavy. Uh, I came from the office. So I think this is the reality for most of us. We have to grind come Friday night. Ang daming tao kasi lahat mag-uuwian. Yung iba kasi syempre nagdo-dorm and the others will go back to their province for the weekend. Para mga students lang yun. After a long hard week, we want to reward ourselves by resting and going home. Pero pagdating sa terminal ng bus or ng jeep, maraming pila. Dito kaya tayo kumain, goers. So we're currently here at Pangko Restaurant or Cafe. Tikman muna natin yung ube pinipig drink. So time check pala, it's 6:57 na ng gabi. Ang sarap. So this drink is called ube pinipig. Thank you. Bye. So our honey cured chicken is already served and the bilis yung serving mo. It was served in less than 10 minutes. 7 minutes pa nga lang. So let's eat. Thank you, Lord, for surviving another work week. Ang sarap. I like it. I'm very hungry and the last time I ate was I think around 1 p.m. yung lunch namin sa office. So, ilang oras na din. Tapos, ang bigat pa ng bag ko. Try natin itong atsara. Tama ba? Ito yung atsara, di ba? Sa akin. Wala pa kasi masyadong tao dito kay Pangko. Kaya dito tayo kumain. Pero masarap siya. Sana sa mga next vlogs natin, we get to visit Melbourne as well. Kasi noon nagpunta kaming Sydney, hindi pa ako nag-vlog noon. Pero I hope when we visit Australia again, I get to vlog so I can show it with you guys. So after natin kumain, explore pa natin yung ibang mga shops. Bili tayo ng pasalubong. We ordered ube pinipig drink which costs 175 pesos and honey cured chicken at 380 pesos. So yeah, nabusog tayo, goers, and masarap. Hopefully, matry din natin yung ibang menu nila next time. Yung ibang food nila sa menu next time. Yan, Pangko Cafe. Recommend. Grabe, goers. There's so many people because it's also Friday payday for most. Kasi Friday the 13th ngayon, so iba sumakod na. Kaya marami na tao doon. Nag-enjoy din sila. Okay, balik na tayo dito. Thank you. Ayan, dito yung kanilang floor directory for level 2. Okay. Dito tayo kay Kaya Toast. So, itong Kaya Toast, we tried this when we were in Singapore. So, try natin. Pwede ba itong i-take out? out po ba to?
Order number 36 po, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, nag-take out tayo yun sa mga pasalubong natin. Ayan. So, ito yung in-order natin. Ito, kaya toast. Without the coffee, without the eggs. So, 95 pesos siya pag itong toast lang. Hopefully, okay naman yung pag inuwi natin, hindi naman matunaw yung butter kasi malamig naman. Surprisingly, no, malamig pa din. Usually, di ba, first, second week of March, they're declaring the end of amihan season kasi mag-summer na. Pero ngayon, mahangin pa rin sa labas, malamig pa din. We have tried this kaya toast when we were in Singapore. Yung ninong-ninong namin, pinakain kami dito. So, na-miss ko lang. Meron na pala din dito sa One Ayala. So, iuwi natin kay husband. Kuha na natin yung take out na kaya toast. So, ayan. Nigay natin sa ating eco bag. Ganun lang yung packaging yung kaya toast kapag take out. So, nilagay ko siya sa Ziploc. So, kayo din, magdadala din kayo lagi ng mga ganitong Ziploc bag para pwede nyo ilagay yung mga ganyang take out na diretso lang sa paper bag para kapag nag-moist, hindi naman ganun ka-messy. So, yun. Kaya tip ko yan sa inyo. Lagi kayo magdala ng plastic or Ziploc bag for this purpose. Okay, so ano pa ba pwede natin bilang pasalubong? So, dito may Cinnabon. Pero kasi marami ng Cinnabon. Marami namang mall na may Cinnabon. Mr. Donut, Yaw Yaw, Fragrance Store. I think itong tatlong shops na magkakahilera are all fragrance stores. Dito tayo. Si Cooper's. Wow, they have croissant, chocolate. They also have chocolate chip cookie. Hanap pa tayong iba. Parang gusto ko mag-dessert ng crepe. Yellow cow. Time check pala, it's 7:52, so mag-8 na din. Itong bench coffee station, parang coffee shop ng bench siguro. Um, Nahanap ko yung prep eh. Ito nga yung meat crepe. Ito, order tayong crepe. Siguro yung vanilla bisco. Ay, kung mahal pala. Salted caramel na lang. Order tayo for dessert. So, waiting tayo dito kay Cooper's. While we're waiting for salted caramel crepe dito kay Cooper's Coffee House, recap lang no, yung kanina kumain tayo dun sa Pancos. Then, nag-order tayo ng kaya toast for take-out, for pasalubong. Then, ngayon, dessert lang tayo saglit sa Cooper's Coffee House. Salted caramel crepe by Cooper's Coffee House. 200 pesos pala to, goers. So, na-miss ko lang. Parang yung last crepe ko was noong December pa. Meron siyang Crispies. Yung parang cereal na Crispies. Ay naman. I just wish na mas marami silang flavors. Meron na kasi silang savory flavors, pero gusto ko kasi mag-dessert. So, syempre din tayo sa sweet options. Kaso konti lang. May isa sana, kaso medyo pricey. Kaya ito na lang salted caramel. Hindi ko alam kung bobo lang ba ako or hihirapan ako kumain ng crepe ng knife and fork. or I'm not that cultured enough. Usually, spoon and fork pa din kasi ako pagdating sa mga ganito. Hirapan ako saluhin yung ice cream. And we're done. Inom lang tayong tubig. For me, I didn't like their crepe. I wish there were more flavors to choose from. Parang okay lang siya, normal crepe. But I tasted crepes na mas masarap dyan. Siguro hindi yun yung specialty nila. They're more coffee naman kasi talaga. Kaya siguro gano'n. So yeah, 200 pesos. Medyo mahal, no? Pero okay lang. Salted caramel, pero siguro if I'm going to try their crepes, uh, I would go with a different flavor naman next time. Okay. Hanap pa tayong pasalubong siguro. Or baba na tayo. Balik tayo dun sa maraming mga pasalubong shops kanina. Check na natin. So there's this giftorium, like parang bazaar. And yung mga cute items. Stickers, cute bouquets. Baba na tayong upper ground. So, dito na yung mga buses. So, let's now explore the lower ground level. And let's see if meron pa dito mga food shops where we can buy pasalubong. Ayan, meron din dito. Mas konti pa yung tao. Mas maganda dito. Mas malamig. New York fries and chips. And Concha. What else? Rice in a box. A sandwich guy. Dito yung grocery. Okay. So, may grocery pala dito, Robinson Supermarket. Check natin yung Nanyang. Mag-add tayo ng pasalubong aside from the Kaya Toast. Dead end na ba to? Yeah, I think so. Sisa's Secret. Ito na lang bilhin natin. Ay, ito pala. Sorry. Yung Sylvanas. This one. Yan. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, labas na tayo dito kay Sisa's Secret. Balik na tayo sa taas, so sakay na tayo ng bus. Pauwi. Honestly, goers, nakakapagod no kasi ang bigat ng bag ko. And then, ayan, daming tao. Especially, it's Friday the 13th, Friday payday. Pero, we're still blessed. Maswerte pa rin yung Friday the 13th natin. Kasi nakakain tayo sa masarap na pagkain. We were able to eat dinner. We were able to eat dessert. We were able to buy pasalubong para pag-uwi, meron tayong dala. So, napaka-blessed natin and super lucky this Friday the 13th. Nairaos natin. Okay. So, hopefully wala na masyadong pila. Kaya mukhang wala naman. So yun, goers. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog kahit medyo magulo. This is my second time attempting to vlog para practice sa upcoming travel natin. So let me know if meron kayong suggestions para ma-improve natin yung vlog. So ayun. Sorry, medyo hingal na ako. So, ikat ko na tong vlog. Thank you for coming and going with me to explore itong One Ayala. So, see you on the next one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.